Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by turning the ignition to accessory mode so the electrical systems power up but the engine stays off. The Touareg 2009 connects via the factory radio or the RNS 510 navigation head unit, depending on your trim. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to Discovery so it can see the car. If your vehicle has a separate phone module stored under the center console, make sure its wiring is intact and the module is seated. This prevents pairing failures and reduces dropouts during calls. On the Touareg radio, press the phone or Bluetooth soft key, then navigate to Settings and choose Search for devices to begin pairing. On your phone, pick the device labeled VW or Touareg 2009 when it appears. Some phones show the head unit model. When the car displays a PIN, confirm it matches the PIN shown on your phone and then confirm on both devices. Accept telephone and media access on your phone when prompted so calls and audio streaming are enabled immediately. If pairing fails, power cycle your phone, delete old devices from both the phone and car Bluetooth memory, and retry the whole pairing process, which often resolves conflicts. Update your phone firmware, and if accessible, the car head unit firmware to fix compatibility issues. Dealers can update RNS 510 or radio firmware when needed. Limit active Bluetooth connections to one phone at a time to avoid priority conflicts. And if streaming audio drops, move the phone within 1 to 3 feet of the dash for best reception.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.